Many computer science courses at the University of Manitoba also use a command on the command line that's called handin. This is a tool that you can use to take coursework that you've done for an assignment or a lab and then submit it on Aviary, so on the Linux systems that we have here. Many courses also use Learn for submitting files, but being able to use handin on the command line is important as you get into some of the higher level classes. So on the command line, I'm going to take a look at the current directory that I've got. So I'm going to type ls, and I've got a folder here that's called comp 1002. This is, I'm going to say, the coursework that I've done for comp 1002 up to this point. This is the specific assignment that I've been working on. To use the handin command, you need to know a few pieces of information, and this is something that your instructor will tell you. The first part is to type in handin. That's the name of the command that we want to use. The second part is the course number. So the course number that we're looking at right now is 1002, but if you're taking something like Comp 3430, that's operating systems at the U of M, then you would put 3430 here instead of 1002. The second piece of information you need to give to handin is the name of the assignment that you're typing in or that you're submitting. I'm going to say that this is the work that I've done for Fortnight 2 for Comp 1002. The last thing that we need to type in is the name of the folder that I actually want to submit. So the name of the folder that I want to submit as part of my coursework for this is this folder that's called Comp 1002. When I press enter here, handin is going to tell me when I've handed in the file. It's going to tell me who handed in the file. So this is my UMNet ID, and then where I handed it in from. I'm currently connected to Falcon in Aviary. It's going to tell me how many bytes it copied. You might notice that this is going to be smaller than the actual number of bytes that you have, but handin will compress things. So it's kind of like zipping up the folder before it gets submitted. And then importantly, it says handin was successful. This is telling me that handin worked. I was able to turn in the work for the course. If I make a mistake, so I'm pressing up on my keyboard to get this command back. If I make a mistake, like I'm handing this in for Fortnight 4, I mistype 4 instead of 2, and I press enter, handin will tell me that it's not able to submit it because either handin has not been configured correctly or I've typed something in that's a little bit wrong. If you get a message like this, it's a good idea to check what your assignment says or what your course instructor has told you. And if you're not able to correct the problem, then it's a good idea to get in touch with them to find out if everything has been set up correctly.